Hello, my name's Emily, and in this video I'm making this adorable mushroom garland. It's also negative 24 degrees Fahrenheit today, so I'm in some desperate need of some summer vibes. So I decided to make my own cottagecore mushroom home decoration. I just can't get enough mushrooms. From eating them, to sketching them, to just the general mushroom aesthetic. Here is the pattern I used, and these are the supplies you'll need. 3 different mushroom-colored felt sheets, thread, a hot glue gun and glue sticks, scissors, and some sort of string or ribbon to hang your little shroomies from. And of course, either a sewing needle or your trusty sewing machine. To start, sketch and cut out your mushroom pattern. Next, lay out your felt. At this point, Kiki decided that this project was a good spot for a nap. I created a decoy to distract her, but she was too clever for that. Once your supervisor clears out of your work area, you can begin the next step. Cut out the mushroom pieces of the corresponding felt color. I'm making 5 mushrooms for my garland. This next part is optional, but I want my mushrooms to have a hand-stitched effect, so I'm outlining each piece with the longest straight stitch on my machine. Then, attach the mushroom cap pieces using either the sewing machine or hand stitching. This is where you may optionally want to sandwich in a piece of string or ribbon to make it easier to hang later. Finally, it's time to whip out that hot glue gun. Put some glue on the stem and slide it between your mushroom cap layers. Add extra glue as needed. Then, it's time to glue on the dots. And your mushrooms are complete. Attach them to your ribbon or string, and your garland is ready to be put on display. If you'd like to see more videos like this, like and subscribe below. Thanks for watching!